Jopur mapidho olemo mar avocado mayudore e kaunti ma Nyamira kwa mondo oket maino gi pur mar avocado ena mar Hass. Gino moyangi ni biro medo gi yuto kaachiel gi medo chiemo e pacho. Kinde mane gitwak gi jopur mapidho avocado e kaunti no, jotelo mag Borabu Avocado Farmers yango ni jopur nitie chiro malach mar olemo mar avocado e pinje maoko. Jopur makono bende nokwayo piny owacho mondo okonygi gi omenda biro konyogi pur magiyango ni nigi midhiero mathoth.
Yes. And the radio, your radio. Those of us who have been in this journey, we have benefited. We have been able to help our families paying school fees and doing other things because we are not only relying on one crop. This crop, as we have sold it, it is lucrative. You can get good money. Like right now, we have sold last week and we are selling tomorrow. We are going to be paid 100 shillings per kilo.
We have had the county come in small portions to assist us. Like now, they give us some seedlings and they are planning to support this event.
We have now organized a day on 30th of April here in Borabu so that farmers can come together and get information on how to grow the crop. And also, they have been asking, after growing the crop, how do we handle the produce? We have invited exporters to come and give them tips on how to handle the crop ready for export.